Hello, everybody. Welcome to week 5 of the course. Here, our last week in this course, and so I hope everybody's doing well. My quick topic this week is about proficiency. Given all you are working on your degree, uh, being proficient at whatever it is you're doing is an important part of your future. All right. So a component of proficiency is attention to detail. Regardless of what your industry is or specialization is, attention to detail is critical, to the proficiency. Uh, and attention to detail also, it just makes you proficient in what you're doing. It doesn't matter what industry you're in. Every job requires, attention to detail, proficiency, and so it just doesn't matter, be it, health or, engineering, whatever the case is, so you must pay attention to detail and be proficient, all right? Be it a specialization or earning a degree, okay? So if you're working on your MBA, that you need to be a specialist as a student. When, you know, earning an MBA means you are the expert. So when you get your college degree in whatever it is, you are the expert in that. And so employers hiring somebody with an MBA expect you to be proficient. All right. They do not expect you to learn on the job. And, so one of the things about, okay, we've had the COVID pandemic. That is an anomaly. We have a lot of businesses that have gone out of business, but this is like a once in a lifetime thing you will ever see. It is an anomaly. It is not the normal way that businesses operate. All right. So businesses fail due to poor leadership and management. That's why they fail. Leaders, managers, and as a business owner, you expect to make decisions to prevent the businesses from failing. All right. And so when an employer hires somebody with MBA, they expect them to know what they're doing. Some employers will hire someone with an MBA, put them in charge of their business, and give you free reign, and they expect you to know what you're doing. All right. So this is why it's a critical as a student. You do not settle for less. All right. As a graduate student, it's not high school anymore, where you can get by. And a lot of us in high school just got by. But once you grow up and you get into, progressing your future in a business and finding something you love doing, um, you should be an A student. All right. Give 100% and become an expert. All right. You become an expert at writing, presenting material that a board of directors would say, great job. Some of you, it may depend, on what you present in writing. I'll mention this to you about, is this something you would turn in to whoever you work for now? You need to, practice and become an expert at knowing the material and presenting the material and then implementing it. I've had several students over the past years who've done the MBA program, did a project for their capstone, and then presented it to the company they work for, and the company actually implements that plan. That so you have to be at that proficiency level. All right. So to get there, you gotta, if you have bad habits, change them, focus, make things you're doing every day, not like once in a while, once in a week. Develop your proficiency, your self-confidence, and be the expert in what you're doing. All right. And so that's that. Subject matter expert, that's what you need to become in your profession, in the path you've chosen. All right. Be a warrior in the path you've taken. Hey, welcome to week 5 of the course here, and so the previous part of the video here, that's kind of geared towards the other classes, but I think you could benefit from it too, maybe, or share. So anyway, into the course here last week. So one more down, you're getting closer to finishing up, and so down in week 5 here, we got to this. Just keep doing like you're doing in the discussions. You got 2 chapters this week, 12 and 13. Um, Choice of business entity. I don't know if you're going to plan on doing your own business one day, so that might be something to look at. And then jurisdiction issues. So, entity, choosing like a corporation, S corp, limited liability. Anymore, I think the LLC is the best way because it kind of excludes the personal assets you may have if you ever run into trouble with a business. So anyway, okay, so that's what the chapters are about. Presentation, just sorry, discussion, do what we've been doing, homeworks, and you're good. So on the final exam, um, for the most part, it's what's in the quizzes. So it gives you here where I guess you can go in here and review, or, if you want to, let's see, I'm pretty sure that's what it, okay. So maybe, um, yeah, I've actually not looked in here before in this part. So for the final, but um, the quiz questions are basically the ones that are in the final for you. So, all right. I can't think of anything else right now other than it was good seeing you in this course. Maybe I'll get you in another one, or maybe you'll decide to keep going and do the MBA. I do pretty much all the courses in the MBA, so but otherwise, I will let you go with my test question. Grandkids, 8 and 4. We did something with them earlier this week. And what did we do? So there you go. All right, Timothy. I will talk to you next time. Have a great week. And if you got any questions, just get in touch. And that'll do it. Take care.